Our staple factory is a professional manufacturer and is committed to the production of high-quality staple products. Our staple factory focuses on each detail, from the selection of raw materials to the control of production technology. We strictly control each link to ensure that each staple meets the strictest quality requirements. Our products are tested strictly to ensure its durability, strength and stability, and ensure that you can achieve excellent performance in various application scenarios. In addition to high-quality products, our staple factory adheres to the concept of integrity, quality and innovation, and continuously strives to pursue excellence. We welcome you to visit our factory and witness our production process and quality control. We look forward to establishing a long-term cooperative relationship with you to provide you with high-quality products and